in the Japanese language, there are many words which the pronunciation is the same, but different words and then different meanings. So let's check the first one, atsui. Okay, atsui. We have, well, 3 words which has the same pronunciation, atsui. The first one, atsui, is this kanji, and then it means hot temperature. Okay, the second atsui is this kanji, and it means heat. Okay, so hot, something you can touch. Yeah, and the third one, completely different meanings. This kanji, and it means thick. Okay, like thick bread. Yeah, so let's check how to use it. 夏は暑いです。夏 means summer. So summer is hot. In this case, you mean the air temperature. So 夏は the first one, 暑いです。夏は暑いです。The second one, コーヒーは暑いです。Coffee is something you can touch, and then coffee is hot. The コーヒーは暑いです。Yeah? And then この本は暑いです。この本 means this book. So this book is thick. Yeah? この本は暑いです。Right?